This is about 20 past 8 in the morning. Beautiful day. We had a bit of rain in the morning, but it's getting fine now. And the water is quite clear, beautiful. This is just wonderful. This is paradise. If you're thinking of coming to Samoa for a holiday, wherever you're coming from, this might be one of the places that you want to spend. This might be one of the places that you want to spend your few days here. Beautiful, beautiful. LALOMANU was voted number 10 best beach in the world some time ago. I'm not sure where it is now, but you can see. It was a bit of rain this morning, that's why you see all this the falling down, but the sun is coming out. It's just beautiful. Let me come back here. This is the dining house. This is where all the dining is done. We're waiting for breakfast this morning. Just beautiful. The water is very clear, nice and warm for swim. Today is Monday, so I think everybody's having a bit of sleeping this morning. But there was a lot of swimming yesterday.